Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a Kraken hunt. To encounter this legendary beast, you must first understand its conditions. The Kraken appears randomly in the vast, open ocean, usually when no other major world event is currently active. Sail your ship into deep waters, far from any islands, and keep a keen eye on the horizon for a telltale sign. This elusive creature awaits its moment. To maximize your chances, ensure no other world event, like a skull fort or fleet, is visible in the sky. Head out into the wide open sea, far from any landmass. It is highly recommended to have a crew of at least 2 pirates aboard your vessel. Stock your ship with at least 100 cannonballs and 20 planks of wood for repairs. You will know the Kraken has arrived when the sky above your ship suddenly turns a dramatic, ink-eye black. A large, dark cloud of ink will envelop your vessel, bringing it to a complete halt. This is your cue to prepare for battle, as massive tentacles will soon emerge from the depths to strike your ship. Be ready for a fierce fight. Once the Kraken attacks, prioritize shooting the tentacles that are actively damaging your ship or grabbing crewmates. Use your cannons for maximum impact, but also utilize firearms for precise shots. Keep a vigilant eye on your ship's hull and repair any damage immediately with wood planks. Defeating all the attacking tentacles will force the Kraken to retreat, ending the encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.